In this video, I'll introduce you to Proxmox VE Helper Scripts, a fantastic resource for simplifying Proxmox virtual environment management. While I've only used a handful of these scripts for post-installation setup, they've been incredibly helpful. Proxmox VE Helper Scripts is a community-driven project that streamlines the setup and management of your home lab. These scripts automate the creation and configuration of Linux containers and virtual machines, making the process faster and more efficient. With over 200 scripts available, there is something for almost every use case. To explore these scripts, head to the Proxmox VE Helper Scripts website. I'll include a link to this in the description below. The website categorizes these scripts in various groups, making it easy to find what you need. Each script page explains its purpose, where to execute it, any important notes, and the exact commands to run it. For example, in my Proxmox install and setup video, I use the Proxmox VE post install script to streamline the setup process. Be sure to check that video out. Now, let's try running one of these scripts in our Proxmox virtual environment. I'll demonstrate by installing the Home Assistant operating system virtual machine. This script will automate the process of creating the virtual machine using the official Home Assistant disk image. It even specifies key requirements like ensuring the disk size is at least 32 gigabytes, since it can't be resized during the VM creation. Here's how to do it. First, locate the script command on the website. Copy that and then head over to your Proxmox web interface, navigate to your server node, and open the shell. You're then going to want to paste that command in and press enter. The script will handle the setup process for you. You can either stick with the default settings or customize them as needed. To proceed with creating a new home lab virtual machine, select yes when prompted. Since I want to store this virtual machine on a different drive, I'll customize the settings instead of using the default options. To do this, you're going to select advanced. Here you can modify several settings, including version, VM ID, machine type, disk cache, host name, CPU model, allocated CPU cores, allocated RAM size, network bridge, MAC address, VLAN ID, and storage pools. For my setup, I'll be using a drive labeled VM-storage. Once all the details are configured, the script will create the virtual machine based on the selected settings. When the virtual machine is successfully created, select it to open the console. You should see a message indicating that the virtual machine has started, along with an IP address and the URL for accessing it. To access the machine, copy the provided URL into your browser's address bar. Home Assistant will begin its setup process, which may take some time. If you're curious about the progress, click Show Details for more information. Once the preparation is complete, you'll see the option to create My Smart Home. From here, enter a username and password to create your account. Set your home location to display relevant local information. Choose whether to share data anonymously with Home Assistant. Do note that all options are disabled by default. And allow Home Assistant to scan for compatible devices on your local network. Once everything is configured, your dashboard will load. This dashboard offers various features, including monitoring of energy consumption, viewing logs and device history, managing media, and adding items to a to-do list. And there you have it, a quick overview of Proxmox VE Helper Scripts and how they can simplify your workflow. I also demonstrated how to use one of these scripts to install Home Assistant as a virtual machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.